So here in this problem we have to evaluate an indefinite integral, which is integration under root x cube minus 2 over 3x square plus 1 over sine square x dx. Now we can write this integration as this can be written as x to the power 3 over 2, it's one and the same thing, minus 2 over 3x square as it is, or we can write in this way also. We can take x square in the numerator and this would become x to the power minus 2 plus, now 1 can be written as sine square x plus cosine square x divided by sine square x dx. Now I'm going to separate it. So integration x to the power 3 over 2 dot dx minus